Welcome to News 9 special show. One of the major embarrassment for Congress is the number of senior leaders who have lost in this election, cutting across the states. And in Karnataka, Mysore is one constituency where it was said that Congress lost a major face over there with Mr. Vishwanath losing. We have Mr. Vishwanath with us. Well, first of all, welcome to the show, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, we'll begin with the election results. What do you think went wrong? Personally in Mysore, what do you analyze of your defeat?
So Mysore, Mr. Siddaramaiah, the Chief Minister, is also coming from Mysore only.
Yes.
Here, it's very peculiar. The third front leader, Mr. Devegowda, the former premier of this nation, who always aimed for secular ideology like that. There is an internal understanding between Mr. Devegowda and the communal party BJP, that RSS. Yeah. Just for his victory, he helped his communal party. Because Vijay Shankar, the former MP of Mysore, was pushed to Hassan. Why? On the request of Mr. Devegowda. Because he belonged to Kurba community, the shepherd, the backward. To take all the backward Kurba votes to his fold, that it is going to be easy for the victory of Mr. Devegowda. Vice versa. In Mysore, Devegowda helped this BJP candidate like this. So just for his victory, he spoiled the secular ideologies. Then himself was spoiled. Mr. Devegowda himself was spoiled. Has no face to tell that I am a secular leader in Delhi. This is the thing which was happened in Mysore. This is the cause for the defeat of Congress MP in Mysore.
But can that be the reason? Because as you rightly mentioned, your chief minister comes from there. It is known to be a Congress belt.
Definitely. See, we have secured 4,95,000 votes. But the major chunk of the secular votes, that is JDS votes, were shifted to BJP. Because there was an internal understanding. Yes, always there is a pact between two parties. It must be transparent. It must be open. See, in elections, the pact between two parties aligned is common. But here it's an internal understanding between Devegowda and the RSS.
You seem to be only blaming Devegowda because
no.
There is this school of thought which says that there were in fact few Congress leaders as well who helped the BJP.
Yes, definitely. They also joined with him.
Which are these leaders?
Because they want to defame Mr. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. That also added.
But who are these leaders?
Are
they local leaders from Mysore? Some of your MPs from the state?
No, there are local leaders. Others, they don't have time to come and have plan to defeat Congress MP in Mysore. So this is local Congress leaders with the help of some state leaders. They have done this.
And what about the state? Because remember, just a year back, the Congress swept to power with a handsome majority. And everyone perceived that there's almost a wave kind of a thing for Congress in the state. But if you look at the numbers you have got now, you haven't even reached double digits. How do you analyze
this? This is the national phenomenon. Because where the Congress was in ruling like Himachal, they vanished. At least in Karnataka. Because of Mr. Siddaramaiah and his programs, we reached 9. We are number 1 in Karnataka. Out of 44, 9 from Karnataka. See, this is the parliament election, not the state assembly election. The mandate was given to parliament, not to the assembly, or to Siddaramaiah, the chief minister. So, likewise, this is the mandate to parliament.
But the question is, are you losing ground? Because you've lost Mysore, you've lost Mandya as well. Two crucial Vakaliga belts and
Mandya also, everybody knows how Mandya lost, Congress lost. because of the internal fighting of the two big leaders, that lady was lost. Yes, Congress, even in the year 1977, Indira Gandhi was the premier of this nation, was lost, terribly lost. And even Sanjay Gandhi was also lost. But just after 3 years, in the year 1980, she came back with thumping majority. This is like this is the scenario, political scenario of the Indian politics.
But Mr. Vishwanath, as you rightly pointed, infighting in Mandya Congress, fighting between two leaders, everyone knows that Congress has a strong high command. Why couldn't the high command pitch in and make sure that this doesn't damage the prospects of Congress?
No, since 2 decades, high command is not taking seriously some of the issues.
Because Ramya is a high command candidate.
Yeah, really. Now, high command must be stubborn. High command must be stubborn. High command must look all these anti-party activities. However, whichever the great leader may be, they must be oozed out from the Congress. Congress must be cleansed in future. For the future development of Congress, Congress must live in this nation, because Congress is for the poor. Congress is for the minorities, backwards, depressed and oppressed. So Congress must rejuvenate. Congress must rejuvenate, for which the high command, who are all in the forefront of the party, they must be stubborn, they must take serious action against the anti-party workers. They may be leader, they may be workers.
But is your party ready for it? Does the party have the stomach for it? Because
it must,
you know what happened at the CWC meet.
It must get ready. It must get ready. For which a team should get ready to alert them.
Well, as I was discussing, what next for Congress from here? Does the party have the stomach for an overall revival?
No, Congress, it must sit with all its leaders. It must discuss how to move, how to overcome all this, and it must give strength to the workers. It must give moral support. And whoever may be the great leader, they must be, they ask to get out from the party. They must ask to get out from the youngsters. Must give prominence. And whatever the Congress has introduced and implemented innovative programs in India, that must be known to the public. That must also, the Congress, rank and file of the party, must try to take all the program to the doors of the, to whom that program was enumerated, evaluated.
But who will take the leadership? Because you already have protests saying Rahul ko hatao. Who is the leadership next?
See, now it is inevitable. Even the 2 years back also, some of the Congress workers urged, let Priyanka come and take the leadership in this. Why? Why means, see, Priyanka Gandhi resembles Mrs. Gandhi. Even today in India, the poor people, they have got a soft corner. They have got a love towards the leadership, Mrs. Gandhi. So, she resembles like Mrs. Gandhi, and she has to take the lead of the Congress party in this nation.
What do you believe personally for you? What do you think should the Congress party do now?
Yeah, Congress party, yes, we must select a leader now, all India level. Who will select a leader?
Do you have one?
Yeah, that is Priyanka. That is Priyanka. Because we have already, a trial is over about this Rahul. Let Rahul also support. So this Priyanka Gandhi must come out now. She must lead the Congress. She must lead the Congress.